never seen no shit like that. Motherfucker was in a high speed chase on a jet ski. What type of Florida shit? What type of
Mexicans do it on
Florida shit?
fucking rafts that they build out of goddamn trash.
No, folks was in a high speed on a jet ski.
Dude, fucking spring yesterday, he goes, you say how long till you get out? I was like, 7 months. He said, what are you gonna do? I said, I guess I'm gonna get the fuck out. And he said, no, I mean, like, what are you gonna do when you get out? I said, I guess suck dick. And he said, where? I said, I guess on Main Street. Oh, here's the cutscene.
Oh, my shit loaded. I need to buy another SSD.
Oh, are you streaming?
No, I'm not streaming. I probably I'm trying to set it up so the next time we play, I can stream because it's not the full game right now.
I don't know. I don't know if they're gonna add more in, but I think it's the full game. Is that you setting right here? To my right?
No, it says when you download the on the Steam page, it's not the full game yet. It's early access. They're not done with the game.
7 months ago. You're not gonna find anyone alive down there.
That's how the Forest was when it first came out. The Forest didn't have a story for like a year or so. Well, it had a part of a story, but you couldn't finish it for like a year or two after it came out.
I hope this isn't that way.
It is. It's early access. It's early access. The game isn't complete. They still be changing stuff. Fish out. We spec ops in this bitch.
These motherfuckers got guns? Oh shit. Damn it, we landed in the fucking winter biome. Fuck no. Ah shit.
Barbara in Virginia. What do you got? Bow tie?
From what I've seen, yeah.
Let me talk to folks. Socialite. Oh, all of them missing? The wife, the daughter, and the husband? Shit.
You haven't loaded in yet?
No, I'm looking at the map and shit.
You're already up?
Last transmission.
Who the fuck's this guy? Oh, fuck. Who is this guy?
I'll put my shit down.
Who just hit me upside the head with a gun? So from what I've seen, you know, in the...
Damn, we getting shot at?
From what I've seen...
So somebody down, I got a gun.
God damn it. From what I've seen and other people playing, is you can find like AI bots to help you even on multiplayer. So. Open in emergencies only. Well, it's an emergency. It looks kind of the same. It looks just like updated. Bro, somebody just yelled at me.
Damn, bro.
Oh, there's a dude on the ground. Hey.
These niggas did die.
Whoa, whoa. I found a dude. A dude alive.
Oh. I fell out the motherfucking helicopter. Oof.
I don't see how you didn't load in with me.
Because I was still looking at the shit. He kicked my shit. Boy.
Oh, I didn't even read that. Fuck, I'm
stupid. He got the big glizzy. Damn. Why he knocked me out, pussy bitch?
You're telling me, dude. I found the deaf dude. We have a helper now. We have a helper.
Why these niggas so... Hold on. Is that you
over
there?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to say who them?
Oh, I found a
I'm about to say who
grenade.
them?
We have a grenade. And C4 brick collected.
Yeah, let me get that C4 and a grenade. You feel me? Who's you?
Damn, we only start out with a knife this time? Where's the axe? Damn, dude, our fucking bag's way bigger now. Literally, the screen moves across now.
Oh, you could tell him what to do?
Yeah, they get sticks and shit for us.
About to put it out some follow me.
They already followed me. Wait, you got a dude too?
No, it's the same dude. I don't know what that is. Oh, what's that? Oh, arrow? A carbon fiber arrow.
Fuck. I need to mess with this shit again. Fucking. I got 9mm ammo. Options. What is it? Gameplay? I want it to be on push to run instead of hold. Wait, can I pick shit up after you? Like the other games? What are you doing? Oh, I can get in your backpack with it on your back?
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Bro, this tactical ass
Wait,
got
wait, wait.
hella speed.
Wait, get up, get up. What are you doing anyways?
I'm in my thing. What's that? Stun gun ammo.
Oh, we're not
and we
freezing
got
yet.
containers too? We got separate
Yeah,
containers for
it holds
fillers
guns and
grenades.
shit. It holds a gun
Oh,
too.
we got a zip line.
Oh yeah, I can pick shit up after you. Well, yeah, there was a zip line in the other one. You just had to make it out of sticks. Whoa, what the fuck is that?
Okay.
Oh, I found
see
food.
you.
Oh, that's medicine. Cap, there's medicine over here.
Hold on, how do
Well,
I
you can't
change
pick the
my
medicine up now. The jumping style's weird in this one now, though.
weapon? Hold on.
Chest right here. 4 buckshot ammo and 2 stun gun ammo. Where's the stun guns at? Fuck. What does this do? Oh, I can give shit to you. I can put it in your backpack.
Good.
But how do you do it?
How do I pull out my fucking weapon?
Wait. Get in my backpack. Let's see how that works.
Oh, I can only see it. A small portion. Oh, I can only... Oh.
Is it just showing me what you have in your backpack, or is that just let? I'm guessing it's letting me take it out. I mean, we do have
No,
the same
that's
shit
how you
sometimes,
add
though.
stuff. That's how you add stuff to somebody's backpack.
But it doesn't say add or anything for me. It just says close. And right bumper to change what to give them. But it doesn't say. It just says use. Here. Go back to the grenade.
Yeah, that's...
Can you not fucking be a bitch? Thank you. God damn it, dude.
It's that host is not responding.
Then my fucking game froze.
Told you it's in early access, bro.
Okay, I'm back. Well, nah, shit, I know it's in early access. I gave it to you. Give me it back. You gotta push use to give it.
Oh, gotta find it.
I gave you a grenade. I found some pills for you to take
Put it
over there.
back.
All right, thank you. Put my GPS. I don't know. I don't really like this GPS. I think the map was better. Maybe. I don't know. Probably just have to get used to it. Let's get somewhere where it's going to be warmer. Because I don't want to
Hold
start
on,
freezing
hold on,
to death.
hold on, hold on, hold the fuck on.
What?
Hold on. I gotta figure
Why is
out
it taking so long for you?
my weapon shit. It ain't working, bro.
I'm going to tell him to go collect some sticks.
To equip something, I have to always go to my inventory. That shit's no. I can't do that. I can't rotate through my.
You know, go get the sticks, you fucking retard? Or are you just going to fucking look at me? Bro, this dude just grabbed sticks up out of nowhere. Don't you walk off that side of the mountain, dumbass. Hey, you can have him get sticks and he'll bring it straight to you. I wonder if I'll have to make a stick bag.
That's kind of irritating.
What?
I can't. There's no hotbar menu. Like you can press 1 or some shit to pull up this weapon to pull up that weapon.
Okay, good. They brought back the fucking, They don't have much building or shit to build, I should say. Bitch, you didn't even bring it to me. Fucking imbecile. Didn't say drop it at my fucking feet like I'm a goddamn peasant. Said bring it to me. Fuck it, he's getting sticks either way, so it don't matter, I guess, too much. Hey, at least we have a helper, though. Oh, that lady we were seeing, too, I'm guessing it's a love interest for us. That lady that we seen on the trailer. Where are my sticks at? Picked up sticks.
You do collect them. You do pick them up. You just tap the button. You don't hold it.
Collect what?
Meds.
Oh. Did you get them out of that box?
Yeah.
Well, I accidentally took both, so I don't have any meds anymore. Where you going?
Just walking around.
You stupid motherfucker, I swear to God. I'm gonna kill you. I don't think I can carry any more sticks, dude. Wait, we can only carry 5 sticks now? Oh, we can carry 9. There's 10, I'm guessing. Never mind. Okay, that's it. I don't need any more.
Oh, I'm walking on the ice. Got some money. Got a can of food. Money. Some rope.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop, stop, stop. Retard.
Vodka bottle. Claw.
Wait. Can I carry more than 10 sticks? Oh, yeah, I carry 20 now. Hell yeah. Alright, that should be enough sticks for
Sleeping
now,
shit
there we
in
go.
there. Oh, it's a cave right here.
Rabbit! Rabbit! Come here, you fucking rabbit. Kill that rabbit! I'm glad you're about as fast as the rabbits now. Or you couldn't catch them bitches for nothing. Vodka bottle. Okay, more mollies. Rope.
Come in this cave over here with me.
Hold up. Collecting all this shit out here.
It's not like a cave like the last one. It's just like a little cavern.
I'm sure we'll find caves like that though. Alright.
Pliers.
Where my pliers at?
might have
I
already
got
picked him
meds,
up, just
too.
didn't see him. What? You got meds?
Over here, next to the tent, on the ground.
Where are your meds at on your map? Are they by the duct tape? Hey, we started off with one set of batteries. Canned food.
Nah, they're to the left, towards the bottom left. Well, not the very bottom, but. And I got canned food too. I got canned food. I got stacks of money. I got tarp.
Where'd you
I
find these
got
meds at?
cloth. I can make cat food, a Molotov, and a torch.
I don't see any. How did you pick up meds but not me?
They were next to the tent. They were right, like in this area.
I went
some
over
more
to the
money.
tent and there wasn't anything there.
Right here. Like, check along the ground over here. Like, on the edges of the tent.
Stick. Now you
Then
can
go in that
automatically
cave.
carry 20 sticks.
Okay, go in that cave.
Why?
There's shit in there.
Is it a big ass cave?
Oh, no. And then they have the caves marked on the map already. They might change that later.
All of them? Yeah, maybe whenever
Think
there's a storyline. Hopefully we can hurry up and find that 9mm. How'd these dudes die in here? That's what I want to know. All this equipment, you just died? It's crazy.
Oh, you could change, or I can change the way I see the map.
Oh.
You can zoom out and zoom in, so.
Said I could do that too, but I forgot how it said to do it.
There's points of interest we need to go to. Let's go south. Fuck this shit. Fuck
Yeah,
this
we're
cold shit, bro.
yeah, we're getting out of the cold. Fuck.
Back towards the plane
At
crash.
least our
down the
stamina ain't dog shit like it used to be.
mountain. Bro, turn the walkie-talkie out.
I didn't even pull it out. Oh shit! Our lighter's an electric lighter. Pull your. How are we gonna use this shit for light? The fuck? Grab it!
Oh, I can give somebody my whole bag? What the fuck?
Fuck.
And then you have a mini map on the right hand side too, which is nice. So you ain't gotta have your map open the whole time.
Yeah. Well, back when they made that game, not really many people used the mini map. So I guess it didn't really seem ethical for
This
them.
mountain big as fuck, bro.
This map is big as fuck. They said this map is like twice the size of the old one.
It looked big as fuck. The mountain looked like the size of the other map.
We can't even see on the other side of the mountain either. So we're only seeing one part of it. But I kind of have a sad feeling that most of this map is just going to be this big ass mountain.
That's what it looked like. But it's stuff we gotta do on the mountain.
There's probably 20 million caves in different areas. Like maybe behind here. Nope. We know how these motherfuckers like to play tricks.
Oh, you can float down a river now.
Here, I gotta turn my sound effects down, dude. Cause that shit loud as a bitch. Or master volume.
I'm taking a free ride, baby. Save my stamina.
Where's our dude at?
I think there's a waterfall coming up. Let me get off this shit. Nope.
Where'd our dude go?
You didn't tell him to follow you, dumbass. You had him picking up sticks.
He was following me, idiot. I don't know where he's at.
Oh my god.
He's not picking up sticks anymore. What do you mean?
We lost the fucking dude.
I'm sure he'll find his way back.
No, I doubt that. I doubt that.
Hey, it shows us where we previously walked, too.
But not very far. I don't think. We gotta go back and get this motherfucker.
Where's he at?
You lost him.
How'd we lose him? He was following us. That's his problem for being a fucking retard.
Bro, if he died or some shit in a river, bro. What?
I don't think he
He's
can
supposed to
die.
be following you.
I don't think he can die.
I bet he can die. I don't see him on the map either. Fuck.
Did you see him on the map before?
No, I never checked to see if I could.
I think he's the blue K down there. I see a blue K on the GPS.
Yeah, that might be him. I think he floated down the river. Yeah, he coming toward us.
Where he at?
He didn't kill him.
I don't
Found
see
him.
him down here.
I found him.
Here on the side of the river.
Yeah, he's on the right side. He following you, but he didn't go down the river.
Why'd he follow you down the river? Because I wasn't even that far down.
Don't make him follow me.
Why? You're gonna get him killed.
Cause I'm gonna pay attention to him, bitch.
I'm gonna turn the master volume down to 65. I can barely fucking hear you over the game. Okay, there we go. That's perfecto. Why does it keep doing that? What the fuck? You can hold out your bag in front of your face?
I hear a plane.